Hi, I'm Frankie, and in this video, I'll show you how you can connect an MCP server to your Azure AI Agent in 3 minutes. I went to the Microsoft Foundry portal by going to ai.azure.com. I'll start building by hitting the Start Building button at the top. I'll create an agent, and I'll call it my MCP agent. And I'll create. I now have this agent. It's using GPT-4o, and now within the agent playground, I'll come to Tools right here, and I'll add a tool. Now, of all the tools that are available, there's some built-in tools. We'll go over to the catalog, though, because we're looking for MCP servers. We see on some of these different tools, we see local MCP server, remote MCP server. I can filter by the type. Now, if you want to set up a local MCP server, you got to host it yourself. There's documentation on how to do this, and I'll leave this link in the description. However, we want to choose an easier option. We're going to do a remote MCP server. And some of these remote MCP servers do require you to set up authentication. So if I were to choose this Atlassian, then I could click create, and I would have to put in authentication information in order to use this remote MCP server. But there's also the option for some that don't require authentication. So I'll choose remote MCP, and I'm going to search learn. And I'll grab this Microsoft Learn Remote MCP Server. I'll create it, and we see that it is unauthenticated, meaning I can use this without logging in. So we're going to call this Microsoft MCP, Microsoft Learn MCP, and then connect to it. And just like that, my agent is now connected to this Microsoft Learn MCP server. Let's see it work. You are a helpful agent that uses only the Microsoft Learn MCP server. Never use your own knowledge. Those are the instructions for my agent. Let's save this, and then we'll give it a try. Tell me about custom domains in Azure Static Web Apps, and give me links to the documentation on how it works. The MCP server is asking for my permission for it to get used. I'll approve it, yes. And just like that, I have MCP server connected to my agent, coming back with links and information for me to use. Now you're ready if you want to implement your agent in code to deploy it using this MCP server. You can preview it if you want to as well, or look at publishing it in Microsoft Teams and M365 Copilot. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. I answer every comment to help as many people as I can. If this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate if you liked the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.